Hey brother, welcome back to my channel. What I am going to be doing in today's video is going through a product that's selling well right now on eBay. This strategy will help you to find the products to sell on eBay and make money online. So I'm sure that you are definitely going to get value out of this video. Before we start, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos. And don't forget to make a quick like and make a comment below. Let's get started. Let's get right into the video. You are definitely going to learn a lot in terms of what you need to look out for. So let's get right into the video. Before I'm going to show you a product that's selling really well right now in eBay. I'm gonna go through my 3 steps method. As you know, the first thing is go over to eBay. Second thing, I go over to Teraback. I use Teraback to check the sales rate, and then the third thing I do is go over to Alibaba, check if I can import that product or not, to make sure that the product is available for us to import. I want you to know that eBay has added a new feature into Teraback. I'm going to explain that in a bit more detail with this product. I just want you to know that will help you to grow on eBay. This feature used to be available for us to use. Bear in mind that this product is selling well right now in eBay. You are most likely going to have success with it. Depends on how you market it. So let's jump into the video. Let's jump right into the video. The product is hair clippers. It's gonna be easy for a lot of beginners that want to get started on eBay. As you can see, he sold over 900. What you need to do now is click on to solve to know if the product is selling really well or not, and to know the last 100 transactions, and to know if you can make money from it or not. And I'm telling you that this product is selling really well on eBay and you can make money from it. It's easy and simple to start with. This product is a product that's definitely selling well right now on eBay. Now you need to go over to Teraback. It shows you the selling through rate for any particular product on eBay, and after that I'm going to go over to Alibaba and see if it's a product that we can even import. Let's go over to Teraback. Okay, so now what you need to do is go to Teraback and search for hair clippers. I have just typed in hair clippers. I have selected new and fixed price and paste of accepted. The reason why I selected these 3 things is because we are going to be selling new items. We only want to find the date for new items, so now I have typed in hair clippers. As you can see here, the sales through rate is 20% with a total monthly revenue value of $800,000 and total sold is almost 60k. So this product is definitely selling well, and you can start with this product to make money from him, or you make a lot of money. So it all depends on how you are going to brand your store around it, how you are going to market the product. So now you need to scroll down. As you can see here, the seller has made over $14,000, and here is a seller made over $8,000 from this one only. So much money you can make here. And here is a seller made over $11,000. It will be easy to start with this product and make money. Now what you need to do, go over to Alibaba to see if the product is available for us to import. Now let's go over to Alibaba.com. Now you need to type in hair clipper. As you can see here, the seller has been on Alibaba for almost 2 years, and here is a seller has been on there for almost 7 years. So I would advise you to go to this supplier like this one here, and as you can see here, it's easy to start with and make money from it. Just you need to start, you need to brand your store now and start with this product. That's the end. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so don't miss out any of my future videos, and don't forget to make a comment below. Stay safe.